Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're noticing a horrible grinding noise coming from the blades of your TM31, it's likely due to a faulty component, most often the blade assembly or the motor. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage, potentially increasing repair costs and making your beloved machine unusable. To fix this problem, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, some tweezers, and a soft cloth to keep everything clean. First, ensure your Thermomix is completely unplugged for safety. Locate the screws on the base of the device and carefully remove them using the appropriate screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose any. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover off, taking care not to force it as this could damage the hinges. Now, look for the blade assembly, which is where the grinding noise is originating. You may need to carefully disconnect any wires attached to the motor to gain better access. When you've located the faulty blade assembly, use your tweezers to pull it out gently. Be cautious here, as there are delicate components nearby. Once you've removed the old assembly, it's time to install the new one. Simply align it correctly and push it into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect any wires you may have detached, making sure they are secure. Before closing up the device, give the area a quick wipe with your soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, replace the top cover, aligning it properly with the base, and reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this could crack the casing. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and run a quick test to ensure everything is working smoothly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this grinding noise from returning, be sure to regularly clean your blades and avoid overloading your Thermomix. Additionally, always use it according to the manufacturer's guidelines. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.